Hi there, welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. Today I'm going to share with you all 3 delicious meatless options. I'm going to show you how to prepare them, and I'm going to show you how they taste, the texture, and what I think of the taste. But I want you to stay till the end where I show you my all-time very favorite one. Keep watching. I'm frying up the turkey-less sausage. It's got the turkey look. I just seasoned it with some mesquite, salt, pepper, and garlic. Oh, that looks good. All right now, I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay. The texture is different. It's not meaty, which I like, but you may not like. Thank goodness I put seasoning on it, or else it would be flavorless, along with turkey less. But it'll be okay. Barbecue sauce is definitely needed. Worth a try. Great on protein. This is the vegan breakfast patty. It really looks like sausage, doesn't it? Wow. This is going to be delicious. If they've got the flavor on point, oh my goodness, this will be a change for a lifetime. This is a plant-based sausage, you all. You have got to try it. I'm going to let you know how it tastes. Got my side dish working here. My cut up vegetables. Ooh, yes. All right. Stay tuned. Well, this looks good. Plant-based breakfast sausage. Let's see. Smells good. All right now, you all, this tastes like sausage patties that you eat in the morning. This is a great replacement. Wow. And I haven't put any oil in the skillet. It's juicy. Great texture. It's not cardboardish, which means dry. You all have got to try this. This is a great replacement for pork or whatever kind of sausage you eat. Plant-based sausage. Put this on your list of a change to make for your life. I want to know whether you think this is meat or is this plant-based. What do you think? Meat or plant-based? It is 100% plant-based. Watch my husband on this next clip. He's tasting it. Oh my goodness. Don't eat my sandwich, Cleo.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bite just to make sure it's safe to eat.
If you take a bite of my sandwich, it's gonna be a problem.
Okay, I won't take a bite, but I will take a slice of this bad boy because it is a bomb. Give me the knife, please.
Cleo, are you serious? You're gonna take a bite of my sandwich?
Okay.
Go ahead, you can. I love you that much.
Okay.
Ugh. A very small piece. That's half.
That's a quarter. 1, 2, and you got the other half. Come on, it's basic math. Thank you very much.
Does it taste like meat or vegetarian?
It tastes very good. That's all I can say.
See how this tastes. It looks good. Smells good. This is so good. So I haven't eaten meat in 10 years. So I really don't remember what it tastes like. But all I can say is this sandwich right here is off the chain. You have 3 meatless choices now. Enjoy, subscribe, like, and share. Peace.